Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be making this slow cooker boneless lamb shank in a red wine reduction. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have my boneless lamb legs. Now I'm about to season it, but first I will be adding some oil, and I'm just gonna rub the oil all over our boneless leg just so that the season can stick to it. So first I'm going in with Cajun seasoning, and this is about 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Second, we're going in with paprika, Maggi all-purpose season, and this is parsley. Now I'm gently rubbing the season all over our lamb, just making sure that it is well seasoned, guys. Guys, look how beautiful that looks. Oh, now guys, I'm gonna let that marinate for 5 hours. Now in a pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm about to sear my shanks on all sides until it's golden brown. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Please turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video, and also to follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Now guys, I'm gonna prepare my mirepoix and set that aside while my lamb is searing. And this is celery, carrot, and onion. Didn't have any onions, so I'm just using celery and carrots. Now guys, I'm gonna remove the lamb from that pot, then set that aside in a plate. Now in that same pot, I'm gonna be adding my mirepoix, and I'm just gonna saute those for 5 minutes until the veggies begin to soften. Now I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of butter just to give it some added flavor. Now that it's starting to soften, I'm adding rosemary, thyme, sage. Give that a quick stir. Then I'm gonna add my red wine and the broth. Now I'm gonna return the lamb to that pot, then I'm gonna cook it in the oven for 2.5 hours. Now guys, I did went ahead and changed that pot because I couldn't find the lid. So I finish it off in this crock pot, and after 2.5 hours, your lamb should be falling apart just like this. So juicy and tender. So guys, for this sauce, I'm gonna be thickening some of that sauce from the lamb. Now I'm melting butter. Then I'm about to add some chopped garlic. Saute that until it's fragrant. Then I'm about to add some rosemary and thyme, and then some of that sauce from the lamb. Now guys, I'm also gonna be adding 1/4 of a bouillon cube. Now you also want to go ahead and taste that sauce to see if it's to your liking, you know. So guys, I'm gonna drain the veggies from that sauce, then return it back to the stove and thicken it. Now you're just gonna let that reduce until the consistency is to your liking, and yeah. And there you have it guys, our boneless lamb shank. I went ahead and I added that on a bed of garlic mashed potato and also some sauteed broccolini. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.